What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Ooh, we gotta love Mondays, man. I fucking love Mondays. So today I want to talk about Neo, baby. A great Monday after Neo Day came out on the 9th. I'm not even gonna really get into details about Neo Day because I've noticed every time I post videos on Neo, they don't really get too many views because there is so much news outlets out there that are all watching Neo because Neo is truly an amazing company. So I just kind of want to get into what my position is doing and it hitting a milestone for me personally that I just wanted to share with you guys. So before I do that though, man, please click that like button, please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody who's willing to listen. So that being said, let's just get right into it. So first of all, I just wanted to show you guys this. So as you can see, October 30th, 2020 is a video that I first posted about Neo, a day trader's journey with your boy James E, investing in Neo for the long term, and here's why. Just doing my due diligence on Neo, and as you can see at the time, it was at $30.15 a share. This thing kept popping up on my top percent gainer watch list since it was in the 15s. So I thought, man, I better take a good look into this. Plus, there was talk around my family and certain individuals that I know about this stock, so it made me want to take a deeper dive. So this is around the time I took that deeper dive and decided, hey, after doing all my due diligence, that this is something I definitely want to be invested in the long run. Okay. So if you guys haven't watched that video, you guys could go back and watch it if you want to. So today, Neo put me up over 100% profit on the day. Topped out at $67, $66.99. I did anticipate this huge drop off after the market to cover this gap because we did have a huge gap up. So I honestly anticipating it falling off at some point, and that's exactly what's happening after hours right now. So my original position for this account was a $2,000 position size, and as you can see, at the moment I'm up $1,700. But in the morning and even around at 6:40, 64.50, I was up 100% profit, well over 100% profit earlier this morning on my position size. And for me personally, that's just an amazing thing to see. Because this thing, like I said, man, this thing's going to be on a tear, and I truly see it 10xing this year alone. And I had called that when it was back in the 40s, so I do anticipating it being somewhere in the $400 to $500 range. I could truly see that happening. I'm seeing all these analysts, and I really don't care for what analysts have to say, but I do like to keep track of it. Just to kind of get a speculation of where these analysts or mindsets are at. And they're predicting anywhere between the $300 to $400 range in 12-month forecast from that was out last year in December. And I think they're gonna blow past it, man, because all the analyst forecasts I seen last year, Neo blew past all of them. And Neo's gonna continue to dominate. There's a lot of great news that came out on Neo Day. As I said before, there's a lot of news outlets out there for you guys to pick up on that information. I reviewed it all. Same thing like them reducing or introducing their sedan model, which is backed up in deliveries, them having partnerships, and a bunch of other great things going on with that company. So I anticipated a big move, and I was happy to see. So I just wanted to share with you guys, when you do your due diligence and you really look into something and you solidify that in your mind and you stick to it, man, big things can happen, man. So I was really excited for it to be up over 100% profit today. It was a great thing to see, and it was a great milestone for me personally to see that because it's actually the very first stock I've ever been in a position in that I've been up over 100% on a single position. I think the closest I've ever got to that was somewhere around 60% profit, but usually I exit, because I was more towards, in the beginning of my journey, I was more towards day trading. And then the more I started studying, the more I started going through my own data and understanding my characteristics in the market, my behavior patterns in the market, I found I'm a lot better with swing trading and in investing. So for this one, it's definitely an investment for me. I'm definitely holding on for the long run, and I see this thing blowing my account up, exponentially within the next 5 years. So a great milestone for me personally, to see one of my positions up over 100% today. Obviously, it's down. I'm up probably about 80% right now. But it's definitely going to bounce back. This was very well expected to drop to cover this gap. I anticipated that to happen already, but I still see this thing climbing up to the 70s and $80 range in the next month or two, no problem, and continue to tear throughout the year. So I just wanted to share with you guys that, because I was pretty excited about it for myself. Hard work, man. I've been studying the stock market for 5 years now. And, I don't go and just buy anything. I literally have to do my research and due diligence and study every aspect of what I'm getting involved in, anything I could find, in order for me to determine whether or not it's a good investment for my money personally, because we are talking, real money here. So, for me personally, every aspect of this company was amazing. And I seen it, once I actually started researching it a couple months ago, and said, you know what, this thing could be huge. And I truly believe it's going to be huge, because I remember when I first seen it in the when it first had its pop back over here, I literally just thought it was going to be a pump and dump, because that's what I was used to in the stock market. So I was thinking when it was up here, that's the first time it hit my radar, and I was like, man, this thing's way overextended. I ain't going to buy that. And then sure enough, it dropped down to the 11s, and I'm like, see, yep, I'm glad I didn't buy it. And then it popped back up on my radar again over here. And I was like, okay, still then was like, nope. And then when it popped back up again over here in the 20s, I'm like, okay, I need to take a serious look into this thing and see what's going on. And found out it is truly an amazing company. And I'm very glad that I purchased the shares that I did. And I'm holding this thing for the long run. So a beautiful thing to see it up over 100% today, up over 100% profit on my position size. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. For me personally, it was a great thing. So, leave a comment, man. Let me know what you guys think about NIO. NIO is amazing, guys. You know what I mean? That being said, man, that's going to be it for today on NIO. If you watched this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place that can help you do that. So, NIO, tapped up over 100% profit on my position size. It's a great thing to see when I woke up this morning, and just felt like I had to share it with you guys. So NIO in for the long run, baby. 10x by the end of this year. I truly believe that. And, we holding strong, baby. So that's going to be it on NIO today. Until next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.